So we have witnessed the historic run of Bajaj Finance. Okay, it has given a massive bull run from 1st April 2009 till today. Do you know what was the stock price around that time? In 1st April 2009, it was around 0.65 paisa, and all these numbers are in bonus and split adjusted. What is the current price? 977 approx. So if you calculate the return, it is around 1,40,000% return in 16 years. Can you imagine that massive number? Yes. So this definitely is one of the massive bull run stocks in the entire Indian stock market. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about another potential stock, okay, which is actually an established company, established brand, which is already a large cap, and also it is showing good signs of growth. So what is the name of the company? It is L&T Finance. Okay, so we are going to discuss the fundamentals and the price action, and then we'll get to know why currently it is a very crucial time for the interested investors to pay attention to this stock. Okay, I will explain the reason. Let's get started. Just a reminder that this is not a stock recommendation video. Please do the buying and selling of stocks based on your own risk appetite and not on the advice of any other person or influencer, right? So let's get started. Okay, hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Financial Impulse. So this is L&T Finance's official website. There is nothing much to see here, but I will just give you a highlight of what kind of loans it is providing: house loan, personal loan, two-wheeler loan, business loan, rural loan, farmer loan, loan against property, gold loan. Okay, and you can definitely go through the details in this website and from other sources as well. I'll share this link in the description section. Okay, now coming to the screener page, let's take a look at the basic numbers for this stock. Current market price is around 217, market cap above 50,000 crores, so it's already a large cap, right? So 3 years average sales growth around 10, which is decent, not great but decent. Okay, profit around 44.84, earning per share 44.44. These are good numbers. Promoter holding stands at 66.16%. Okay, now if we take a look at the profit and loss statement, what do we see? I am considering from 2023 onwards. Okay, so 2023 to 2024 we can see increase in sales 12,775 to 14,252, then 15,924, then 16,400. Operating profit 4837 to 8057. The reason behind this massive jump is this. Okay, increase in operating profit margin, then 8057 to 9621, then 9928. Okay, there is strong operating profit for margin for the last 3 years. This is very important point. Now if you go to the shareholding pattern, what do we see in the last 3 quarters? We see that the promoters have not changed the stake by huge margin. Okay, 66.25% to 66.24%, 0.01% drop, negligible, you can say completely ignorable. Then 66.24 to 66.16%, this is 0.08% drop, very negligible, so we can ignore. But if this is about the decrease in stake or steady stake, we can leave it. But when we come to FIs and DIs, what do we see here? FIs have increased their stake 5.30% to 5.48%, then 6.19%. So this is a good number increase in stake by the FIs. And if you come to the DIs, it is even better. It is more than 1 to 1.5% in every quarter for the last 2 quarters. Okay, 12.17 to 13.28, more than 1% increase. Okay, more than 1% increase. Then 13.28 to 14.10. Okay, so this is around 0.7 to 0.8. So again almost 1% increase. So clearly there is strong interest from the smart money for this stock. Definitely there should be reason. So what we have learned here is that it's an established brand, it's an established large cap company. Sales, profit, earning per share growth is strong. Along with that, the shareholding pattern is looking very promising because the smart money is increasing their stake every quarter for the last 3 quarters, right? Now let's go to the price action. So this is the price action of L&T Finance, and let me first take you to the weekly chart. Okay, and you can see I have drawn few things here already. First is this blue line. Okay, I will explain each and everything. And here I have drawn one kind of channel. Okay, and I can say that this is actually a base it formed. Okay, and once it broke above this base, it has given a good run. Now you will say that yes, it has already gone up by around 38%, so it's not a good time to make an entry. Well, that would be wrong. Why is that? Let me explain it to you. You see, here the stock acted as resistance one time and almost at the same area again, so two times it acted as resistance. Then it gave a good breakout above this level, and then you can see the stock coming back and retracing. Okay, it retested this level again, and now it turned into support, which was acting as a resistance two times, and now it has turned into support, and touching that again it is starting to go up. Now what we are going to do, we are going to go to the daily time frame. So when we go to the daily time frame, we can see the stock actually use this level, this is around 195 level, as the resistance. Once again you can see in the daily time frame it is visible, it used as resistance and gave a breakout here. Then the stock kept going sideways, and it once it touched here at this level, then again it started going up. And the interesting thing is that this is aligning exactly with the 50 EMA. So 50 EMA provided support to the stock here, and then it is continuing to go up, and currently it has gone up by around, if we measure it, around 8, and now it is at 5.3%. so from the ideal entry level it is just around 5.3% higher. So I would say this is definitely a very good opportunity for the interested investors, but that does not mean I'm saying that you should go and buy this stock. No, this is just a technical analysis, like where should be the exact entry point if you want to be a wise investor, an investor who makes entry at the perfect time and makes the exit also at the perfect time, without just buying stocks when it has fallen by 30-40%. That is not a wise idea. So this is a better approach. Okay, and one more reason is that the wise investors always say that you should buy stocks when it is entering into an unexplored territory. Okay, what does that mean? Which means that when the stock is going to a new level which it has never touched in its history. Okay, let's say it has never this stock has never touched 200 level in its history. Let's confirm that. So if I scroll back, you can see this level 195 was acting as resistance back in 2018. You can see from there it came down again, it has gone up. So if you go to you see the big picture view, it has never crossed 200 level. Okay, and that same level was acting as resistance now, and now it has been broken and it is going up. So there is a definite probability that this stock will continue in the upward direction from here and definitely keep going into the new territories. Okay, definitely. Okay, and one more thing is that for whom this stock is going to bring an impact. So this is mainly for people who are looking for a steady and decent income and decent return. Not like it is going to give 100% return in 3 months, 4 months, like we see in companies like Balu Forge and many other companies. Okay, this is not that kind of stock because it is already a large cap. Okay, very big large cap this stock is. So this is going to give you steady returns if you hold it for 5 to 7 years or even more. Okay, and you are not in a hurry to just book your profit. So this is only for them. So what I would recommend you is that please dig deeper into this stock, do your own research, and once you are getting conviction about this stock that yes, it could be a good investment, then use the price action strategy that I showed you. And I would say that any price above 230 is a good buying price. Okay, that's all I can say. And that was all about today's video. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button and subscribe to Financial Impulse if you have not done already. And if you are already a subscriber and finding my videos valuable, consider joining the Financial Impulse community, where you will get more stock analysis posts, and also you will be able to chat with me directly one-to-one on Discord and ask your queries. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye. Take care.